What's up, fellas? Obviously we are on the road and we got a problem. I don't know if you're gonna hear, but I got an air leak when I depressed the brake pedal somewhere on the front axle, so it's gotta be the brake chamber, and this time the driver's side. Let's check. Look at this, guys. Brake pedal is scratched. It's the brake chamber. There. Let's see. Oh yeah. I got a spare one with me, so let's change it. Alright, fellas, got everything ready, and the spare one with me. 15/16. I'm gonna have to remove this ABS line from the bracket, and let's go. Safety first, of course. Surgical gloves and safety glasses. Here. Got the brake line. Okay, I got this pin loose. It's coming out. Now this bigger one right here. Okay, the bigger one is coming out. Okay. Now just these two big bolts from the bracket. One, the second one I have to use the wrench. I got this old son of a bitch out. Let's put the fitting on this one. It's back here. This one going back here. Now I just have to reposition this part. It's gotta go like this, and this fitting gotta be here. So I gotta move it. Loosen these two bolts. Alright, fellas, we got it about perfect, right? Yeah. I got it in, guys. Just the pins here, tied it, the hose, and we are back in business. I got these pins in, as you can see. Both of them are in. Almost done. That's it, guys. Just a line. Alright, and it's finished. Adios, fellas.